We are making Chilli Ancho sauce. It's such a great sauce to make, very easy, very versatile. You can use it in many ways. As a dip, with sauces, like tomato sauce, and even serve it with rice. I will show you the basics, and the rest is up to you. It usually comes like this, dry and ready to be used. Here you need to have two bowls ready, one for the stem and the seeds, and the other for the chili, the cleaned chili. We will start by cutting the stem and getting the seeds out. Don't worry about cutting it perfectly in half or perfectly from the top to get the seeds out. Remember, in the end we'll be making a sauce. Just concentrate on getting the seeds out. Once you get rid of the stem and the seed, it's time to have them in a bowl and rehydrate them using some lukewarm water. Don't worry about any floating seeds in the water, we can remove them later. You need to leave them in the water for at least half an hour. After half an hour of soaking, this is what they look like. Now it's time to get the blender out. What we need to do now is remove the skin, tear pieces of chili by hand, and add them to the blender. The glove is optional. I wore it just to keep the chili out of my hand. Here is where we get creative. You can add a little bit of the chili water, a tablespoon at a time. Add in a little bit of salt and then blend. This is what it should look like after blending, with a few pulses. You can either add in some water to thin out your sauce, or you can use some homemade stock or some store-bought stock. You can use chicken broth, beef broth, whatever you have available. When adding salt, just make sure you watch for the salt content. You don't want it to be too salty. In this video we'll be making two batches, one with only water and the other with some beef stock. This is the chili that was mixed with water. This is what it looks like. The one mixed with the beef stock, this is what it looks like. A side-by-side comparison. As for storage, I would say that they will keep well in the fridge for up to 3 days. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing the videos with your friends who like hot sauces.